baggage like this. Okay. Now this looks like a small baggage, but some of us it may be a very big baggage. Right? Let's see what is in this baggage. All right. So if I unpack this bag, what I find is this. What is this? Knife. Now, of course, this is a butter knife. But emotionally, what does this represent for me?
It's a tool. It's a tool.
It's a tool for what?
Self-defense.
Yeah, self-defense. Now, emotionally, this is a knife that I carry to stab the people who have hurt me. This is a knife that I carry for Raj Mohan for asking all those difficult questions. This is the knife that I carry for Poonam, right? For she is asking me for more and more, tools and techniques, even though we have given her already so much, right? So this is a tool that I carry for somebody who talked behind my back. This is a tool. This is a knife that I carry where I want to stab somebody back because they have done something to me. They have hurt me. Isn't it? And the question is, do you carry such knives yourself? Any of you? Not at all. Okay. Think hard. Think hard. Okay. Now, the problem with this knife is, of course, I am carrying this knife, but you see, there's something attached to this knife.
Yes.
Now, let's find out what is the other end of this string. Can I have a volunteer? Somebody volunteer, please. Sure. Come over, Varsha. Varsha, right?
Yes.
All right. Unpack that and turn to the class and show them what you have. What is that? What is that knife for?
Defend. Play.
Exactly. This is the knife that Varsha is carrying to stab me back for all that I have done for her. Is it? So similarly, Raj Mohan must be carrying now 10 knives. Poonam must be carrying about 15. So for every knife that I carry, there are several others who carry knives for me. Isn't it? Now we are sort of connected through a chain, right? Now what can I do? Can I make Varsha change her mind? We already saw that yesterday. We can't change somebody else's mind, right? So what can I do to get rid of this bondage? I can drop mine and walk away. Now, when I do this, do I care whether Varsha is still holding one knife or she has picked up both knives and holding it? No. Did I need Varsha's permission to do this, drop my knife? No. So what I have done is, I have released myself from the knife that I was carrying for someone else. And I don't really need someone else's permission to do that. And I don't need to know whether other person has done the same thing or not. Right? Give Varsha a hand. Thank you. You're still holding both the knives.
Thank you. Sometimes it is essential because the other person will keep on stabbing your back second
Sure.
time.
Yeah. Okay.
So it is
So
very, very essential. So how do you drop them?
right.